Morning, kids. Let us do some brain power. That is your brainstorming. So, shall we begin our GK today? Yes. So, all open your GK books. And here we are going to start our unit 1, and that is astronomy. But what do you mean by astronomy? Can anyone tell? Yes, let us see what we mean by astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe. यूनिवर्स यानी ब्रह्मांड, विच इंक्लूड्स यानी जिसमें शामिल होता है, दैट इज सन, मून, स्टार्स, प्लैनेट्स, कॉमेट, गैस, गैलेक्सीज, डस्ट। और ये ऐसे भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूड करता है जो हम टेलीस्कोप से ही देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि फार अवे गैलेक्सीज। तो ये हो गया हमारा एस्ट्रोनॉमी। तो चलो देखते हैं आज हम एस्ट्रोनॉमी में क्या सीखेंगे। सो लेट्स बिगिन। यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? यहाँ पे दिया है टिक द करेक्ट आंसर, यानी जो भी आंसर रहता है उसे हमें टिक करना है। तो फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन? This famous person was the first to recognize Earth's sunshine on the moon. Sunlight reflected off the earth to the moon and back. Who was this famous person? He was Leonardo da Vinci. तो हमें सी को टिक करना है। Second one. Sometimes two full moon occur in the same calendar month. The second full moon is called B1, that is blue moon. Then how many tails does a comet have as it nears the sun? कॉमेट के कितने पूंछ है क्योंकि वो सन के करीब है। सो कॉमेट यानी एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो ब्राइट स्टार के जैसे होता है और वो सन के आसपास ही घूमता है और उसके टेल्स होते हैं। टेल्स यानी पूंछ, तो वो कितने हैं? वो है 2। तो हमें ए को टिक करना है। Fourth one, what heavenly body is sometimes called the evening star or the morning star in the sky? It is Venus. तो हमें C को टिक करना है। Fifth one, what are these bodies? Ceres, Pallas, Juno and Vesta. They are nothing but asteroids. तो हमें C को टिक करना है। Sixth one, what are these bodies? Io, Ganymede and Callisto. They are none other than Jupiter's moon. तो हमें B को टिक करना है। The uppermost region of the sun is called, region यानी क्षेत्र। So what it is called? It is known as corona. तो B को टिक करना है। Eighth one, comet Halley comes to the inner solar system once in how many years? Once in 76 years. तो हमें B को टिक करना है। What is the sun mostly made up of? सन किससे बना है? सन बना है हाइड्रोजन से। तो हम C को टिक करेंगे। All planets have at least one moon except of, इसका मतलब है सभी प्लैनेट्स के पास एटलीस्ट एक मून है, सिवाय किसके? सिवाय वीनस एंड मर्क्यूरी के। तो ये हो गया हमारा टॉपिक एस्ट्रोनॉमी। आफ्टर एस्ट्रोनॉमी वी विल कम टू आवर यूनिवर्स। सो लेट अस सी आवर यूनिवर्स। बट यूनिवर्स में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है? यूनिवर्स में इंक्लूड होता है planets, stars, galaxies, dust, clouds, light and even time. पता है यूनिवर्स में billions of galaxies है and they have millions of stars. So let us see what we are going to learn today in universe. So first one, what is the first one given? It's nothing but fill in the blanks. So let's begin. Saturn and Jupiter are also known as, what are they known as? They are known as gas giant planets. Second one, the hottest planet in the solar system is dash. Hottest means बहुत गर्म। कौन सा बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म planet है? वो है वीनस। तो वीनस पे हमें टिक करना है और लिखना भी है। Solar system is in the dash galaxy. It's in the Milky Way galaxy. Fourth one, A dash is the total distance traveled by a beam of light in 1 year. It's a light year. Fifth one. Dash is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is Saturn. Dash, the dwarf planet, was discovered in 2003. That was Sedna. 7. Dash R represents the bits and pieces left over from the inner solar system formation process, that is asteroids and comets. Dash is the biggest asteroid, which is that? It is for Vesta. और यहाँ पे नेम दिस प्लैनेट्स दिया है. आई विल गिव यू हिंट और आपको ये कंप्लीट करना है. ओके किड्स? सो फर्स्ट वन, दिस इज जुपिटर, this is Mars, this is Earth, this is Venus, and this is Mercury, and this is Saturn, this is Uranus, and this is Neptune. तो ये आपको अच्छी तरह से ये पेज में कंप्लीट करना है. ओके किड्स? एस्ट्रोनॉमी और आ यूनिवर्स के बाद हम आते हैं प्लैनेट्स की तरफ. बट व्हाट आर प्लैनेट्स? प्लैनेट्स आर लार्ज नेचुरल ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट ऑर्बिट और ट्रैवल अराउंड द सन. और कितने प्लैनेट्स हैं हमारे? दे आर 8 प्लैनेट्स जो सन के आसपास ऑर्बिट करते हैं. विच आर दोज प्लैनेट? दे आर मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरानस एंड नेपच्यून. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? हमें क्या करना है प्लैनेट लेसन में? हमें देखना है द इंग्लिश नेम ऑफ प्लैनेट्स हैव बीन डिराइव फ्रॉम द नेम्स ऑफ गॉड्स. डिराइव यानी प्राप्त, और रिसीव जिसको गॉड के नामों से रिसीव हुआ है. तो लेट अस चेक. फर्स्ट वन इज, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट वन? इट इज मर्क्यूरी. तो मर्क्यूरी इज रोमन गॉड ऑफ कॉमर्स. तो हमें सी को कनेक्ट करना है. सेकेंड वन, वीनस. वीनस इज रोमन गॉडेस ऑफ लव. तो हमें ई को कनेक्ट करना है. मार्स. व्हाट इज मार्स? मार्स इज डिराइव फ्रॉम D1, रोमन गॉडेस ऑफ वॉर. तो डी को लाइन लेनी है. ओके. Jupiter. What is Jupiter? Jupiter is king of Roman gods. तो हमें B को ट्रस्ट करना है. Uranus. What is Uranus? Greek god of the sky. So let us join to Greek god of sky. Saturn. Saturn is Roman god of agriculture. तो हमें A के साथ ज्वाइन करना है. Then Neptune. What is Neptune? Neptune is nothing but रोमन गॉड ऑफ द सी. तो हमें जी को ही टच करना है. प्लूटो. जे. प्लूटो इज नथिंग बट इनुइट गॉडेस ऑफ द सी. तो वी नीड टू ज्वाइन जे. व्हाट इज एच? अर्थ. वी नीड टू ज्वाइन विथ एच. ओनली प्लैनेट नॉट नेम्ड आफ्टर गॉड, गॉड्स एंड goddesses. So join H. Ceres. That is nothing but Roman goddess of harvest and motherly love. So we completed with the chapter. After planets, let's go to the space mission. And here we are going to start with some fill in the blanks. So let's begin. The first one. The study of outer space is known as. What is the study of outer space is known as? It's known as astronomy. जो हमने यूनिट 1 में पढ़ा था. सेकेंड वन, द फर्स्ट स्पेस क्राफ्ट टू रीच द सर्फेस ऑफ द मून वॉज. इट इज लूना 2. थर्ड वन, डैश वॉज द फर्स्ट manned spacecraft to reach and return safely from the moon. It is nothing but Apollo 11. Fourth one, Dash is the first man-made satellite. It is Sputnik. So write Sputnik. The first man to float in space was. It is none other than Alexei Leonov. Sixth one, Dash was the heaviest object ever launched into the space. It was nothing but the Sky Lab, the first satellite repaired by a space shuttle in outer space was Solar Max. Eighth one, Dash are used to transport and put satellites or spacecraft into space was launch vehicles. Ninth one, Dash is far but the largest artificial satellites that has ever orbited the Earth. It's none other than ISS, means International Space Station. Ninth one, Dash carried Yuri Gagarin into space, that is Vostok 1. 11th one, Dash was the first spacecraft to achieve a soft landing on the moon. It was Luna 9. 12th one, Luna 10 was the first spacecraft to orbit around the moon. So यहाँ आपका आंसर है Luna 2. तो ये हो गया हमारा स्पेस मिशन. After space mission, let's go to Earth. What do you mean by Earth? The planet where we live in is known as Earth. So, let us see what is given in the topic Earth. Label the parts of the Earth. तो ये Earth है और हमें उसको parts के साथ में label करना है. First one, ये dark yellow जो है, ये है outer core. What it is known as? It is known as outer core. And this light yellow is known as inner core. This red one is known as mantle. और जो ये ब्राउन वाला नीचे का कॉर्नर का है ना, this is known as crust. So this is the part of the earth. Now let us come to fill in the blanks. Let's begin with the first one. 70% of the earth's surface is covered with. 70% earth का surface किससे cover हुआ है? It is covered with water. And only 30% is covered with land, जहाँ पे हम लोग भी रहते हैं. Second one, the outermost layer of the earth is known as, यानी जो ये earth का outermost layer है, it is known as crust. तो हमें लिखना है crust. The inner core is solid state, whether as the outer core is liquid. Solid यानी जो stone की तरह hard रहता है, and liquid यानी जैसे कि हम पानी पीते हैं, जैसे कि oil है, that is in liquid state. Then the fourth one, the solid portion of the earth including the land surface under the ocean is known as lithosphere. Fifth one, all the water on the land surface including rivers, streams, lakes, seas and oceans is collectively known as hydrosphere. Sixth one, the blanket of air surrounding the earth is known as atmosphere. The portion of land, air and water that is occupied by living organisms is known as biosphere. The movement of the earth around its axis is known as rotation. तो ये हो गया हमारा topic earth complete. After earth, let us come to atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It's the layer of gas that surrounds earth. It's often called air, which consists of many different gases. So let us see what we are going to learn in atmosphere. So let's begin with first one, fill in the blanks. The dash saves us from the harmful ultraviolet rays, that is ozone layer. Second one, weather occurs in the dash. Weather occurs in the troposphere. Third one, the ozone layer is in the dash. It's in the stratosphere. So this is second one, that is known as stratosphere. Fourth one, the dash is made up of different gases. It's made up of atmosphere. Atmosphere जैसे कि हमने पढ़ा जो different gases से बना हुआ है. Fifth one, the dash of the earth holds the atmosphere, that is gravity. Sixth one, meteoroids or rock fragments burn up in the mesosphere. It's known as mesosphere. Seventh one, satellites orbit in the dash. It orbits in the thermosphere. It orbits in the thermosphere. Eighth one, the dash is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, which is that exosphere, that is known as exosphere. Ninth one, a layer of electrically charged ions located in the thermosphere is known as ionosphere. Ionosphere. Tenth one, the ionosphere reflects the radio waves or signals back to Earth. Now we end up with the topic atmosphere. Mammals. After atmosphere, we are learning about mammals. But what are mammals? Mammals are nothing but warm-blooded animals. That are mammals. So what are we going to learn here? Tick the correct options. Okay? जो भी ऑप्शन करेक्ट रहेगा उसे हमें टिक करना होगा. फर्स्ट वन, मैमल्स आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड. नो, मैमल्स आर वार्म ब्लडेड. Most mammals produce babies or they lay eggs? No, they produce babies. Mother mammals don't feed but they feed milk to their babies. तो हमें यहाँ पे टिक करना है. Fourth one, mammals have mammary glands that produce milk. तो हमें right side click करना है. Mammals have hair on their bodies. Okay, mammals have hair on their body. Mammals have backbones. Yes, mammal do have backbones. तो हमें mammals have backbones के पास टिक करना है. Seventh one, mammals have a single bone or they have multi bones comprising their lower jaw. No, mammals have only one single bone. Mammals have 5. No, mammals have 3 tiny bones in the middle portion of the ear. So they have 3 tiny bones. Okay. Ninth one. Most mammals have or they don't have sweet glands. They have sweet glands. Mammals have a heart with no separate sides. No, they have 2 separate sides. Mammals have 1. No, mammals have 2 sets of teeth. As compared to other animals, mammals are not cleverer.